Listen carefully. Every night, two different people go to sleep. One wakes up stronger, calmer, and more prepared for tomorrow. The other wakes up carrying the same fears, the same habits, and the same emotional burdens they had yesterday. The difference isn't luck. It isn't talent. It isn't intelligence. It's what happens during the final moments before sleep. Most people treat the night as an escape. They scroll endlessly, replay painful conversations, or fall asleep with a mind full of noise. Then they wonder why every morning feels exactly the same. The Stoics believed the night was something entirely different. To them, it was a workshop where character was quietly forged. Every evening offered another chance to remove what weakened the soul and strengthen what truly mattered. While the body rested, the mind prepared itself for another battle with life. Modern science now tells us something surprisingly similar. During sleep, the brain strengthens important memories, reshapes emotional patterns, and decides which habits become permanent. In other words, every night your brain is building tomorrow's version of you. The real question is simple. Who is doing the building? Your fears, your distractions, or your conscious decisions? The great Stoic thinkers understood that lasting change never begins with dramatic speeches or temporary motivation. It begins with small choices repeated consistently, night after night. This is why Marcus Aurelius never allowed a difficult day to be the final chapter. Before rest, he reflected. Before sleep, he corrected himself. Before tomorrow arrived, he prepared his mind to meet it with wisdom instead of emotion. That is exactly what you will learn today. Not empty motivation, not unrealistic positivity, but 7 timeless Stoic practices that can completely change the way you end each day, and eventually, the way you live your life. Because the strongest version of yourself isn't waiting somewhere in the future. It is created quietly, one night at a time. The nightly self-reflection. The first practice is simple, yet incredibly powerful. Before you close your eyes, become completely honest with yourself. Not with your family, not with your friends, not with social media, with yourself. The Roman Stoic Seneca believed that every evening should end with a personal conversation. He didn't judge himself. He didn't search for excuses either. Instead, he reviewed his day with complete honesty. Imagine your day playing like a movie. Watch every important moment. Notice where you remained calm. Notice where anger controlled you. Notice where fear made your decisions. Then ask yourself 3 questions. First, what mistake did I make today? Don't defend yourself. Don't blame other people. Growth begins the moment excuses end. Maybe you lost your temper. Maybe you wasted hours on distractions. Maybe you stayed silent when you should have spoken. Simply acknowledge it. Awareness is the first step toward freedom. Second, what could I do better tomorrow? This question changes everything. Instead of living with regret, you begin designing improvement. Picture yourself handling today's difficult situation with more patience, more wisdom, and more courage. Your brain learns from vivid mental rehearsal. The more clearly you imagine the better response, the easier it becomes to live that response tomorrow. Third, what did I do well today? Many people ignore their progress, but confidence isn't built by criticizing yourself every night. It's built by recognizing evidence that you are becoming stronger. Maybe you stayed calm during an argument. Maybe you kept a promise. Maybe you resisted a bad habit. Celebrate those victories quietly, not because you're perfect, because progress deserves attention.
The Stoics believed that character is built one decision at a time. Every honest reflection plants another seed. Every lesson learned becomes tomorrow's strength. Before sleeping tonight, spend just 5 quiet minutes reviewing your day. No phone, no distractions, only truth. Because the person willing to face themselves in silence is already becoming someone the world cannot easily shake.
Master what you can control. There is one truth that separates peaceful people from exhausted people. Most suffering comes from fighting battles that were never ours to win. The Stoics understood this long before modern psychology existed. Epictetus taught that life can be divided into only 2 categories: the things you can control and the things you cannot. It sounds simple, yet almost everyone spends their energy on the wrong side. We worry about how others see us. We replay conversations that can never be changed. We fear outcomes that haven't even happened. Hour after hour, our minds wrestle with invisible opponents, and every night we carry those battles into bed. But no amount of worrying has ever changed the past. No sleepless night has ever forced tomorrow to obey our plans. Peace begins the moment you accept this. Before sleeping tonight, write down the one thing that has been stealing your attention. Then ask yourself one honest question. Can I take action on this tomorrow? If the answer is yes, decide on one clear action. If the answer is no, give yourself permission to release it. Not because it doesn't matter, but because your peace matters too. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself that while he couldn't control the world, he could always control the way he responded to it. That single decision transformed chaos into clarity. Do the same tonight. Protect your mind by refusing to carry burdens that never truly belonged to you. The strongest people are not those who control everything. They are the ones who know exactly what deserves their energy. Face fear before it faces you. Fear grows strongest in darkness, not because danger is always present, but because imagination fills the silence with possibilities. The Stoics refused to run from fear. Instead, they walked directly toward it. Every night they imagined the challenges that worried them most: failure, loss, rejection, even death. Not to become anxious, but to become prepared. When you finally look directly at what scares you, something unexpected happens. The fear begins to lose its power. Ask yourself tonight, what is the worst realistic outcome? Then ask another question. If it happened, who would I need to become to survive it? Notice your answer. You won't describe a victim. You'll describe someone stronger, someone wiser, someone more patient. That person already exists inside you. Fear simply prevents you from seeing them. The Stoics believed courage is not the absence of fear. It is choosing wisdom while fear is still present. Sleep becomes peaceful when your mind no longer spends the night running away. Instead, it rests knowing that whatever tomorrow brings, your character will always be stronger than the challenge. Live as if tomorrow is never promised. Every evening offers a quiet reminder. None of us owns tomorrow. We only hope to receive it. Marcus Aurelius often reflected on death, not because he feared it, but because it taught him how to value life. When you remember that time is limited, small arguments lose their importance. Petty distractions become obvious. What truly matters comes into focus. Before sleeping, ask yourself, if today were my final day, would I be proud of how I lived? Did you love the people who matter? Did you protect your integrity? Did you spend your time building a meaningful life? Or did you trade another day for comfort and distraction? This isn't meant to create guilt. It's meant to create clarity. Every sunrise is a gift. Every sunset is a reminder. Don't wait for the perfect moment to become the person you admire. Begin tonight, because those who respect time rarely waste life. The Stoic night routine that rebuilds your mind while you sleep. Become the observer of your emotions. There is a quiet power that most people never develop, the ability to watch an emotion without becoming it. When anger appears, they become anger. When fear arrives, they become fear. When sadness visits, it defines their entire identity. The Stoics chose a different path. They believed emotions are natural, but they should never become our master. Imagine standing beside a river. The water keeps flowing, yet you remain safely on the shore. Your thoughts and emotions are like that river. You don't need to jump into every current that passes by. You only need to observe it. Before you sleep tonight, think about the strongest emotion you felt today. Was it anger, disappointment, jealousy, anxiety? Now ask yourself another question. What was hiding underneath that emotion? Very often, anger hides hurt. Jealousy hides insecurity. Anxiety hides uncertainty. The deeper emotion is usually the real teacher. Once you understand it, the emotion loses much of its control over you. The Stoics practiced this every night, not to suppress their feelings, but to understand them, because understanding creates freedom. Remember this: you are not your emotions. You are the one who notices them. And the person who can observe their emotions without immediately reacting has already gained an advantage that no circumstance can easily take away. Tonight, let every emotion speak. Listen carefully. Learn its lesson. Then allow it to leave. Carry the wisdom into tomorrow, not the weight. Every night is more than the ending of a day. It is the beginning of the person you will become tomorrow. Most people never realize this. They fall asleep surrounded by noise. Their final thoughts belong to social media, their worries, their regrets. And then they wonder why nothing changes. The Stoics understood that the final moments before sleep shape the first moments after waking. So instead of filling their minds with distraction, they filled them with intention. Marcus Aurelius would remind himself of the virtues he wanted to live by. Not wealth, not fame, not comfort, but wisdom, discipline, justice, courage. Tonight, before you close your eyes, ask yourself one simple question. Who do I want to be when I wake up tomorrow? Not what do you want to achieve. Who do you want to become? A calmer person? A disciplined person? Someone who keeps promises to themselves? Someone who refuses to let fear make decisions? Choose just one quality. Hold it gently in your mind as sleep arrives. Don't force it. Don't repeat it with anxiety. Simply let it become the final seed you plant before the night begins its quiet work. Then, tomorrow morning, before touching your phone, before checking messages, before allowing the outside world to tell you who you should be, remember that promise. Take one deep breath, repeat your chosen quality, and live your first minute with intention. That single minute can change the direction of your entire day. 7 lessons, 1 purpose. To remind you that peace is not something you discover, it is something you practice, night after night, choice after choice. The strongest people are not those who never struggle.
They are the ones who refuse to stop growing. Marcus Aurelius wasn't born unshakable. Epictetus wasn't born fearless. Seneca wasn't born wise. They became those people through thousands of quiet evenings spent shaping their own minds. You can do the same, starting tonight. When this video ends, don't rush back into distraction. Choose one Stoic practice you've learned today. Practice it before you sleep. Tomorrow, repeat it, then do it again. Because real transformation is never loud. It happens in silence. It happens in consistency. It happens while the rest of the world is asleep. And one day, you'll wake up and realize you didn't just change your nights. You changed your life.